Okay, two things we want to know. How far did Mr. Incredible throw, and how fast was Dash running? Let's start in this area to find our initial conditions. According to this guy on simpleplanes.com, the robot has a wingspan of 66 meters and a height of 26 meters. Knowing Mr. Incredible is just within reach of the robot and he threw the remote just above its head, we can make these dimensions and solve for the hypotenuse and the angle that he threw at. So now that we know all this, let's figure out how fast the remote was going just above the robot's head. Because this movie was done at 24 frames per second, and in this scene it takes 6 frames for the remote to get above the robot's head, we can solve for the velocity here. Knowing this and that it took Dash 11 seconds to make the catch, we can use kinematic equations to solve for the distance thrown. This is assuming no air resistance. With this done, we can start solving for Dash's speed. We know where he ends, but we still need to figure out where he starts. In this scene, we see these light posts in between Dash and the robot. And in this scene, we again see those light posts, and we see this car right here in between them. At the time this was filmed, the medium length of a sedan was 4.7 meters. Knowing this, we can solve for the length between those two poles to be 21.35 meters. Going back to this scene, we can see that Dash is about even with this pole, and there are 2 pole lengths between him and the robot, making a distance of 42.7 meters between the two. Now knowing the distance he ran and that it took him 9 seconds to make the catch, we can solve for his speed here. This means Dash ran 7.6 times faster than Usain Bolt's top speed, and Mr. Incredible threw 10 times further than the current world record football throw.